The genesis of the show draws upon the engagement that I had with Black women in LA last spring. A lot of them talked about the home plays and the natural world being spaces where they feel most comfortable, most themselves, most loved, most free. For the past 10 years, I've been talking about and thinking about physical environment and place and how we navigate it, what it's like for people with different identities to experience these different places. For the show at CAAM, speaking to falling seeds, it's about sort of like me speaking with women and women speaking to each other, offering them this hope of I hope that you find solace and I hope that you find safety and security. And then this show, Finding Soft Ground, is about seeking out that soft space, that comfortable space, that safe space. And so that's why in this show, there's these 3 different physical environments that I'm sort of creating: the street, the home, and the natural world. And the idea is what it's a little like trying to find solace in each of those different locations.